Here you go. We're gonna be going down some really crazy roads here, and I thought I'd set up the video. This is on the way down to Jerome. These are a bunch of switchbacks, and they're like, you gotta be going like 20 miles an hour. It's really narrow, and it's a hell of a cliff down there. Really big cliff, really big cliffs. We're coming down into an old ghost town, Jerome, Arizona. It's not, I guess I just talked to some people, and it's not much of a ghost town anymore. Oops. It's a tourist trap, and this is Jerome, Clarksdale, Cottonwood. Get out of the way! I'm sorry. This is dangerous, and my dog was under my feet. This is a very dangerous road. We are very high. Elevation 5,246. Founded in 1876. We're now entering Jerome. I'm in second gear because I don't want to ruin my brakes, and they're squeaking again. We are way the heck up. We're in town, Jerome town limits now. It says the road narrows. This is crazy. How could it possibly narrow any more than that? These are people's homes on the cliff. I can't believe this. Really, really narrow. Very, very narrow. Shit! Oh fuck! Oh, God, that killed. It's too narrow. I think I came through here before. Maybe. Did you hear me? I hit my steps. Oh my gosh! What am I? Nowhere to park. Absolutely nowhere to park. There's people parked everywhere. We're at 5,000 feet now. This is town of Jerome. Really very, very, very narrow streets. This was a ghost town. I had said it was a ghost town on the map, but it does not look like a ghost town anymore. It has now become a tourist trap. And there's like lots of people. And they've got shops.
In 600 feet, turn left onto Perkinsville Road.
What? I can't pull up that. What does it say? 450 feet? Oh my gosh. I really just want to get down. I really just want to get down. I don't like this.
Take the next left onto Perkinsville Road.
Okay, I guess we're going up to the Gold King Mine.
Continue for 3/4 of a mile.
Oh wow. This here is Gold King Mine. Tinkerbell. Well, I don't know. Should we have... Maybe we should have parked over there. We're gonna find a place to park. That's okay. That's okay. Well, I think this is just where we're gonna stay the night, right here. Yep, this is it, Tinkerbell. You need to settle down, please. All right, I don't know how good that. Oops, sorry about the wiggle. Let's see. Look at that. All right. Please like and subscribe. And I'm going to see about whether I can stay here. All right. Love you guys. Peace.